how to set the keyboard text translation to Samsung or Google Translation on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Translation. From here, you could either choose to use the Samsung Translation Engine or the Google Translation Engine. So if you select Google, tap on the Continue button, and that's it. So here it says, translation is available in more languages. A network connection is required. If you select Samsung, it says get added privacy by translating on your phone, only using downloaded language packs available even when you're offline. So the con with using the Google Translation is that you require to have a network connection. Whereas if you select Samsung, you can perform offline translation. And that's it. After that, we can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.